Guys, today we are going to begin the second session of the fourth chapter of geography. We are going to begin with the natural vegetation in India. So, when we are talking about natural vegetation in India, we have to begin with the Himalayan vegetation. So, this Himalayas is having all type of vegetation. If you take Shivaliks or outer Himalayas, it is having the tropical moist vegetation. In that, salwood is having the greater commercial value, and it is also having wet hill vegetations like oak, chestnut, ashes, and beech trees, and it is also having subtropical moist vegetations like chir and chill trees, and it is also having deciduous forests which are present between 1,600 to 3,300 meters of height, like fir, pine, cedar, spruce trees, and it is also having alpine variety of trees which are present above 3,500 meters of altitude, like shrubs, shrubs, and grasses. And next one, forest of India. So if you take forest of India, we are going to learn about the distribution of forest all over India, which is uneven in nature. So mostly we are having forest cover in the hilly areas, and we are having a very dense forest, almost about 86.9 percentage of forest cover in the Andaman and Nicobar, and we are having lesser forest cover in the Haryana, about 3.8%. So in this category, Chhattisgarh is having the most densest forest in India. And the northeastern states, the seven states alone, it account for 25.7 percentage of total forest cover of India. So let us learn about the different types of forest in India. First one, we are going to learn about the tropical evergreen forest. These tropical evergreen forests are present in Andaman, Western Ghats, Upper Assam, Odisha, and lower slopes of Himalayas. And next one, tropical moist deciduous which are present in Andaman, parts of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Kerala. And next one, tropical dry deciduous which are present in the foothills of Himalayas to Cap Cameroon, the southmost point. It is called as Cap Cameroon. Between that, it is having this tropical dry deciduous forest, and it is also present in Rajasthan, West Bengal, and Western Ghats, and tropical thorny forests which are present in the southern Punjab, Rajasthan, upper Gangetic Plain, and Deccan Plateau. And next one, subtropical dry evergreen forests which are present in the Konkan coast. And next one, subtropical dry evergreen. So if we take subtropical dry evergreen which are present in the Shivalik range and western Himalayas, about 1,000 meters of height. And the last one, it is the alpine variety which are present in the Himalayas about 3,000 or 3,500 meters of height. The next topic, it is the wildlife. The word wildlife was first utilized by William Honade in 1913 in his book Our Vanishing Wildlife. So this wildlife actually includes all types of floras and faunas, from microorganisms to multicellular, very big plants and animals. And now we are going to learn about the distribution of this wildlife all over the world. First country we are going to learn about the Africa. Africa is very famous for various types of forest and wildlife. It is having almost 1,100 species of mammals, and like lion, hyenas, grizzlies, wild beast, zebra, rhinoceros, elephants, and hippopotamus, gorillas, chimpanzees, baboons, and monkeys, and etc. It is also having almost 2,600 species of birds and reptiles like snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodiles. And next country we are going to learn about Europe. If you take Europe, Europe is present in the temperate zone. It is not having a very rich variety of flora and fauna like the tropical and equatorial zone, but still it is having a good level of animals like frogs, snakes, lizards, turtles, and also squirrels, rabbits, deers, boars, moses, bears, wolves, and birds. More than 800 species of birds are present there, like ducks, larks, warblers, and sparrows, and etc. Next, we are going to learn about South America. South America is very rich in wildlife. It is having armadillos, anteaters, anacondas, alligators, and giant turtles, and also mountain llamas. and the birds includes flightless birds and contours, and it is also having jaguar, and in the aquatic life it includes piranhas. And next one, North America. If you take North America, it is having black, brown, and grizzle bears. This black bear is present throughout USA, but other two types are present in the northern part of the continent. And other than that bear, we are having reindeer, Arctic fox, polar bears, and blue fox, and some tundra are present in some tundra regions, and grass eaters like rabbits, hedge dogs are present in Pararis region, and in pine forest we are having elk and moose and etc. Next one, Asia. If you take Asia, Asia is very rich in wildlife throughout its length and breadth, and it is having animals like elephants, sambar, swamp deer, hog deer, barking deer, porcupines, red pandas, and island areas are abundant of reptiles and marine animals, which includes crab-eating macaque, whales, dolphins, sea eagles, and etc. And also deserts are having wild asses, blackbird, desert cat, camels, red fox, snakes, crocodiles, lizards, and birds such as turkeys and bustans. And next country it is Australia. If you take Australia, Australia is having a flightless bird like Cascowry, and it is having a national animal kangaroo, and koala bears are only present in Australia. And apart from that, it is having kingfisher, Larry bird, platypus, and other animals like snakes are present there. So the most of the snakes were venomous than non-venomous snakes. Next one, wildlife in India. India is having a very rich fauna, and India is having almost 500 species of mammals and 2000 species of birds and 30,000 species of insects, and we are having a large fishes and other aquatic animals, and we are having unique Indian animals like Chawa Singh or four-horn antipole, one-horn rhinoceros, a Kashmir hangul, and Gir Forest is famous for lion, and Sundarbans is famous for tiger. And blackbuck is one of the three species of antipole is also present in India, which can run at a speed of 50 miles per hour. And the last topic it is the wildlife protection. Government of India enacted the Wildlife Protection Act in 1972, which facilitated the government or empower the government to declare any area into a wildlife sanctuary or national parks. Like we are having many national parks like Bindipur Sanctuary, Touchingham Sanctuary, Gir Forest Wildlife Sanctuary, Kanha National Park, Gasiranga Sanctuary, Periyar Sanctuary, Asaribag National Park. Apart from these biosphere reserves, we are having tiger reserves, especially for the tigers. So, by this, the fourth chapter is over. Thank you, class.